Okay, welcome to my video. It's Valentine's Day, February 14th, 2018, and this is the Venture Out Resort fence progress. So I started at the south end of the park, and I'm going to work my way up to the north end of the park. And I'm riding my Cudjoe bicycle. I already toured the entire interior of the park. So anyhow, we're just cruising along this outside here, checking the progress of the fence. I'll post this later on Facebook so people can see how things are going. In case you never met me, my name is Kelly Hicks, and I've owned lot number 175 before, and more recently lot number 500 at Venture Out. Served as a director in there for 1 year, and maybe I'll serve again someday after I retire. Anyhow, here's the entrance to Venture Out in the real estate office. Smelly sewer truck, smelly, noisy sewer truck. Oh, and the fence is done up to here. Looks like they're planning on getting some more done though. Must be at lunch. Okay, well, we're getting to the end of the bike path here, the end of Venture Out. As you can see, there's still some fence hanging to do. Right up here is where the old sewer plant used to be, which is no longer. And that marks the end of Venture Out. Thanks for watching my video.